Hello students, welcome to the last tutorial of your Advanced Data Structure and Algorithm Laboratory. So in this tutorial, we are going to be discussing about the activity selection and Huffman coding problem. So what is activity selection? For example, if you have n activities with their starting and finishing time, to find the maximum number of non-conflicting activities, for example, if you're having only one CPU or one machine or one person is going to be handling all the tasks. So how many activities you can do in parallel? That is the solution for this activity selection problem. For example, it might not possible to complete all the activities since the timing can collapse. So if we have the two activities like I and J, so if it is not conflicting, if and only if the starting time of activity I should be greater than or equal to the finishing time of J, or the starting time of J should be greater than or equal to the finishing time of I. So where SI and SJ should be denoted the starting time of your activities, and Fi and Fj is going to be the finishing time of your activities. So we are doing the greedy approach, which is nothing but we are going to be maximize the count of activities that can be executed. So for this thing, the input data for the algorithm is nothing but your activities and your starting time of each and every activity and the finishing time of each and every activity. And the output is nothing but the solution array which containing the maximum number of non-conflicting activities. So how we are going to be implementing the activity selection problem? So first we are going to be sorting the activities in ascending order based on their finishing time. And we are going to be selecting the first activity from the sorted array and we are added into a solution array. So repeat the step 4 and 5 for the remaining all the activities which is available in your activities array. So if the start time of the current selected activity is greater than or equal to the finishing time of the previously selected activity, then add it to the solution array. Select the next activity in activity array and print the solution array. Okay, in this similar way, we are going to be compute what are the maximum activity can be executed with non-conflicting manner. For example, we can implement this example in our coding. See, we having a 6 activities, A to A6, A1 to A6, and their starting time and finishing time is going to be mentioned. So now we are going to be identify what is the maximum number of non-conflicting activities. Okay, let's get into the problem coding. So we go and we are implementing the activity selection problem, Huffman coding. So here we are defining the number of activities is going to be 6. So we have to input up to the 6 activities. So I'm going to input the same array which we see in our example. So enter the start and end activity of A1. It should be one and 2. Okay, the starting of the first activity is going to be 1 and the ending is going to be 2. And the second activity, the starting time is going to be 3 and the ending time is going to be 4. And the third activity, the starting time is going to be 0 and the ending time is going to be 6. In the fourth activity, the starting time is going to be 5 and the ending time is going to be 7. In fifth activity, the starting time is going to be 5 and ending is going to be 9. In the last activity, the starting time is going to be 8 and ending time is going to be 9. Then what is the possible number of activities that can be executed with non-conflicting is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 8, 9. So I hope this video is helpful for you to understanding the activity selection problem in Huffman coding. So thank you.